Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with the Flickering Flame True Wireless Speaker. Now this is the perfect marriage between a stylish decoration and premium sound. Now just like our other flame lanterns, this features a realistic tiki torch flame effect, giving you the perfect ambiance both indoors and out. Now like I said in the title, this is also a Bluetooth speaker, and the sound quality is actually quite good for its size because it has built-in ports allowing the sound to radiate in all directions. Another thing I like about this is how easy it is to use. It has built-in media keys which allows you to control the flame effect and your music directly from the speaker. But my favorite feature is that you could pair two of these speakers together, allowing you to immerse yourself in a full audio experience. And since they're true wireless and rechargeable, you could place this just about anywhere. It has a stand that allows you to place this on a flat surface, like your table or desk, or you could use the included ground stake to get creative and really spruce up your yard. Now I can't stress to you how great these are on a warm summer night, and the fact that you could pair two of them together makes them even better. All my friends have asked me where they could get these, and lucky for them and you, PulseTV.com has an absolutely incredible deal that you're not going to want to miss out on. And you're definitely going to want to grab two, so head on over there and grab yours today.